Okay, so this was an example of a split stop from the euro on Thursday. You can see that the market is not particularly directional, but there's a trade here that was pretty decent. We had a test lower, and then we had a higher low which actually hit the green dash line there, which was the London Open. As a reference, and a break beyond the price swing high there becomes a decent chance to take a trade. Now you can see that actually I'm taking the trade for the jump line 9, the white setup rather than the blue setup there, because I feel that the actual configuration of the trade, where the stops and the targets are more conducive to taking a winner. So the first major hurdle is going to be the price swing high, just probably at 36, 37 there. So it needs to get through there, and you can see that we did initially get into that trade, and it did go offside a little bit straight away. There was a possibility that you could have adjusted the entry an additional tick there, but then the further you get into the prior swing there, the closer you get to that, the more of a potential issue that could be as well. So we got a break fairly quickly at that point once we got through that swing, and you can see I actually got to the target of the first trade, which might initially make you think, well, have I done the wrong thing? Have I taken the wrong trade? However, it got back to the entry and held. So at this point, what we're doing is we're moving the stop because it got to within a tick of the target 2. So we've moved the whole stop at this point. So this is an example of moving the lock-in level, the money management, slightly early because it's got very, very close to that price. At this point, I actually split the stop because of the numbers that were due, and I was more aggressive with actually more conservative with trailing the jump line 4 for one of the positions. Now, this is just an example of wanting to run the position, thinking that it was good, but not having the ability to perhaps run the whole of the position. You can see it did stop out on that first one, and then subsequently the numbers did come out, and very quickly it got through. It got very close to the full target, and I think at that point it was difficult to actually just move the limit quickly enough because it happened so quickly. But ultimately it did in fact hit the full target. You just see that it's pulling back to the initial swing high there, and it's holding steady at the minute. Failure to take this back would indicate potential to test the price swing high again. This was a look at some advanced strategies for managing your stop with Trend Jumper. Thanks for watching.